Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. How are you, sir? See you, sir. Hello. How are you?
And today, it now coincided with the judgment of the Supreme Court yesterday, so it was an opportunity for me to also to congratulate Mr. President, and we talked a lot about the country. And so you'll soon see me, because there are certain things we discussed that the country must move forward.
Yes,
And
sir.
elections are over, so we must move forward.
So will they
We emphasize the need for Nigeria to take a lead in Africa, because yes, we have challenges economically now, but we still have what it takes to lead. And these are some of the issues I will continue to have a conversation with Mr. President, including briefing him on all my foreign programs, because they are not personal issues. As traditionally, if former presidents will go outside the country for this continental, regional program, even some international, they come home and they tell their president. So that's the tradition. So most of the time when you see me here, because of this thing that we must do, and to move Nigeria forward, to move ECOWAS forward, to move the African continent forward. We need to bring everybody, all our political leaders, including all the former presidents, together. We will not be fighting. We fight. Like, this common saying that when two elephants fight, the grass suffer. If top leaders continue fighting, they will not suffer that much. But it's down through this that suffer. And we want to end all this tension and so on. So we move forward as a nation.
All right.
Thank you very much.
so
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you for the time.
Thank you.